Hi, it's me again, Minnie from K Hair Factory Vietnam. So in this video today, I will tell you about 4 biggest mistakes new hair entrepreneurs often make. So don't waste your time anymore. Let's jump into the intro right now. The first mistake, waiting for perfection. I know there are some people out there, they're trying so hard to see samples of logos every single day to design one for their own brand. They also have notebooks full of notes with tips and experiences from successful businessmen. These are good things, and I applaud them for taking time to conduct some research and dig into what they're gonna do. But after all, you need to take actions and turn those plans you're making into the truth. Don't hold on to the idea and don't be afraid to let it out to the world until it's perfect, until it's ready. That's the opposite of what you should do. You know, there are tons of customers DM me every single day, and they confess to me that they want to start their own hair business. So if you still keep delaying actions, you will miss a large amount of potential customers who are attracted by your competitors. So feel the fear and take actions anyway. Mistake number 2. Have no visibility on social media. While chatting to consult my customers, some of them confessed to me that they just have a hair shop and sell it offline. Then I advised them to build an Instagram business account immediately because we're in a pandemic. So everybody literally on their phones, they scrolling, looking and like it on Instagram. So why you don't add your business to those social media platforms? Like why not, right? And you need to remember that the internet has the power to reach millions of people at the same time. So when clients see your hair products on your page, but not sure about the hair quality, they can come to your shop and the rate of success they decide to buy your hair is higher. Mistake number 3, not consistent enough. If you sell hair online, don't let the number of likes or shares or follows make you depressed. Trust me, there are still people out there watching you, following you, or even eager to every single post of your hair product you upload on your social media. They just don't want you to know that they are interested in your hair because they want you to persuade them to buy your hair. And don't worry about the likes, don't worry about the number of follows, especially when you start your own hair business. What you should be worried about is if you have 5 likes on a post, go through, look at those 5 people and like their stuff, comment their stuff. Put your focus more on those people, especially who are interested in your products. That's how you grow, especially when you just start your own hair business. Mistake number 4, business is for yourself. Maybe when I say this mistake, some of you guys will reply me that I built this business is for my dream, for my profit, so why is it a mistake? Okay, calm down, I will figure it out. I mean, your brand is not built based on what you want and expect people would buy your hair. It's built based on what your potential customer love and needed. Sometimes you think your customer will like box straight hair, but actually they prefer curly hair because they see they will look more gorgeous and prettier in that hair. So take the time out to get to know your audience, to know what they love at which price. So today, answer this question: who's your targeting customers? Okay, so these are 4 big mistakes you need to to avoid when you just start your own hair business. I hope that this video will help you on the journey to be a successful entrepreneur. And remember, you are not alone on that journey because you have me, who are always ready to be your partner. So feel free to text me via my WhatsApp number. I will put it right here to let you contact me easily. And if you feel this video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to our channel. And you can send this video to your friend who you think also need to watch this. So thank you for watching my video today. It's Minnie from Kinky Factory, Vietnam. Bye!